So Trapify sent us this set of window fly traps, and so I was just looking at the instructions on how to fold them all together, but it's just something you put in the corner of the window and it's sticky on the other side of this piece of cardboard here, so the flies go towards the window and then they get stuck on the interior of that, but you don't have to look at them because this is what's facing you and the sticky side is on the back side. So I was just looking at it to try and figure out how to fold it here, but basically what you want to do is you pull the little paper off the sticky side, but then when you're trying to fold this up, don't touch any of that sticky interior. I don't know if you can see how glossy it is in there, but that's all stickiness, and I did accidentally get this stuck to it a little bit down here in the corner. But basically you're just folding this into a little box, so you just fold on this crease here and that crease there and make that a little area there, and then you do the same thing over here. And then you see these little tabs up here. Those little tabs right there goes into this little slot right here under my thumb. There's a little slot right there. So you're going to fold these in here. You're going to put those little tabbies into the slot and then put it in your window. There's some little stickies there to stick it to the glass of your window there. So we're going to do that here in a second, but Trapify sent these to us so that we could show them to you, and took me a second to figure out all the little foldiness, but then see when it's on your window, the flies go down in there and then they get stuck, and then they're not, you know, you don't have dead flies all over your window ledge and windowsill and stuff. So cool stuff. I'll show you here when I get it set up. So we're in the RV here, and I just wanted to show you that I put it in one of the windows where this would not be in the way of opening and closing, because some of the windows in the RV, that would be in the way of opening and closing it because they slide across each other and stuff. But this one here, this window in particular, doesn't even really open. It's got kind of a curved corner here, so I just lifted it up a little bit from the corner and stuck it there, but it's stuck to the window just fine. Hopefully it'll do a good job. We don't have a ton of flies right now, but I know as the summer goes on, we're going to have more for sure. And as we travel across the country, we're going to have more. So as we're traveling, we're going to have more flies, and that's going to do a good job of catching them and getting them out of here. And then I don't have to get out the fly swatter every day and try to swat them all down.